Hey guys, and welcome back to Gymnastics 24/7. And today we are gonna making slime from this Nickelodeon slime kit. So first step, it looks like you put the glue in. So we'll put the glue, all the glue in. Let's use it.
Okay, you can't open this door. Mommy wants by.
Okay, so now we're gonna squeeze it.
Special coins, but you can't count.
So we're gonna tape the cap off because we're getting real people. It won't go out. Hey. Okay, I think we got most of it. Next step is we're gonna pick our color to do. I'm gonna pick pink. I want a pink slime. I'm gonna try to open this. Okay, now we're gonna mix. So it's looking pretty good. Gonna add a little bit of blue to make a little pizzazz. That's good. Okay, now that's it.
Okay, Marcus, you ready? I get 2 special coins for you.
So it's gonna go like this, but I'm gonna add a little bit more pink.
Hawaii souvenir coin.
Picture.
King Kamehame.
I want them pretty even like this.
Where are we going to put all these coins of his? Do you have a binder?
Now you're gonna start activating your slime.
Yeah, but we don't have enough for all those.
No, well, most of this is on these.
You wanna add
Okay. For example,
like just a small bit and start mixing. It should start to form. Now once it starts to form, be careful on how much activator you will use for it to really kick in. Now it's close to being ready. Close, so you best be careful when you see it starting to pick off the sides like that. Just really wanna play with it. Look at it. Oh, it's kind of cool. It's really cool. Now, just knead it. And as you
you know what? I have
Go.
rolls. Do you want to roll stuff up?
Get more activator.
All right, so
Like that.
I mean, I have coins. I can give you a few coins, but I don't have rolls for dollars. I may have rolls for $50.
I think some of the special coins should go in. Where's your other piggy bank?
Yeah, Marcus, just pick up one specific piggy bank for your special coins until you're advanced.
Where's your other piggy bank? The one that for the Jewish piggy bank.
Well, Marcus, don't ever take them out of, Marcus, when they come in the paper, don't take them out of that. Oh, this thing is very, very
Is anything in there? Yeah, I think this.
Okay, that can be for your
I
special
think this
coins.
and these, this and this, you should put your special coins in.
You just want to add
Well, we'll do the rolls another day.
a little bit of activator at a time.
I think you should put your special coins here and here and then roll them out.
Just want to knead it really good.
But remember,
Stretch
you
it.
get in a paper, in one of those paper things, don't kick them out. You keep them there the whole time. Me? I'm gonna do homework, so it's done. Oh, I gotta replace the bulb. You think it's a bulb or the fixture?
It's probably the bulb.
Just none of them work.
Now clear slime is pretty good.
Where's the stool? Oh, here it is.
This is a good
Yeah.
slime.
Alright. You come pick a place for us.
I think you should put them in here for now. And then we can roll them out.
I think we're getting down. This is our finished product. Should I add more pink or should I leave it metallic? A bunch of you guys are saying leave it metallic. So we are gonna leave it metallic. But we are going to add a little bit more pink because you guys are changing your mind a little bit. So just going to add a tiny bit of pink and just like fold it around. I hate me too. Are you? Look, guys.
What you doing,
It's
Raquel?
so pretty.
What you doing?
Making slime and making a video. So this is my dad, guys. He hates slime.
Hi, I'm anti-slime.
So makes it hard to make slime around here. But I love him.
I want to look at you, Raquel.
Guys, I can literally see ya. Now, after you're done, you want to make sure you clean up everything so your parents don't get mad at you. Even your hands. Okay. So, since you guys are saying more pink. So we're gonna try this to add all the bottle. And some of you guys are saying you shouldn't have added blue. But I personally like the blue tint in this slime. Your friends and me too. Are you? So, guys, make sure slime and paper do not mix. Me too. Are you? Are you? Are you? I hate your friends and they hate me too. I'm sorry, guys. I'm singing, but it's so fun. I really recommend you guys make slime because it's so satisfying and you can just stretch it. But I do recommend that you don't really ruin your clothes doing the slime. That's why people hate slimes so much. So yeah. So now we're just gonna do this.
Yeah.
And hear that nice clicking noise. You can also click this way. I'll show you guys. You can also stretch it and then fold it up.
Do you want a dust cloth?
You can just stretch it. And it's really fun to just lay out. I was going really for a more pink look, but it still looks pretty cool. I mean, I probably shouldn't have added that much blue. That's probably why it's so metallic. But I like it. And options now are glitter and shaving cream. But I recommend you don't do normal shaving cream. Do the fluffier kind. The ones you spray out from a bottle and the white one. Although it still does work, I recommend that works way better. We're gonna try and get more glue out. So when you feel your slime is too hard, you wanna add a little glue. You start laying your slime out in this circle position. You flatten it. You put a little hole. Then you dig deep. And you kind of want to draw a bit. And they hate me too. Are you? Are you? Are you? So I think we got all the glue. Now, gonna start to get sticky. But after you knead it in, like I'm doing right now, it will get really, really stretchy. See? Guys, this is how stretchy it was. It's going down to my pants. So, yeah. And I personally love making swirls. They're so fun. So ready? What you do for a swirl is you stretch it, then you put the edges together. And you just copy that same move over and over until it looks pretty. And then want to make sure it doesn't drizzle, because then you roll out it and then you wait for it to flow. Now it does not need to look perfect, but it needs to look good. Just look at that ooze down into just slime. And now, listen to the sounds. It's so pretty. I love it. Here, but I recommend you don't. See that slime click sound? It kind of sounds like somebody's farting. Oh, Marcus, did you fart? But I know it's no, Raquel. It's just no, Raquel. It's just our slime. Okay then, Marcus. Okay then, Raquel. We should have fun. Yes. Guys, it's hard acting two characters. I wasn't really acting. So after your slime's all good, you're going to start wanting to pick up from the dough. You want to get every last drop. Now you have the perfect slime. Bye guys! I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the red button. You see that red button on your phone that says subscribe? If you haven't yet, hit it and make it gray. I love you guys. Peace out.